This is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first step is to make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, log into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera. Then, once the needed app is found, you can start its installation either directly from the search results over here, or just open the designated app page and, well, tap the install button over there. So choose whatever way you like better, but after that simply wait for the app to be downloaded and installed, which, as you can see, does not take a lot of time at all. But I mean, it kind of depends on how strong is your Wi-Fi connection, or fast rather, but well, even if your Wi-Fi connection is not very good, it will not take a lot of time. So once the app is ready, simply go ahead and launch it. Then tap at the blue continue button over here. Choose whether you would like to enable notifications from Opera, or you can skip the step. Over here you can set Opera as your default browser app right now, or you can also skip the step, and in here you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and well, start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.